Downloading and installing the Netflix app on your Samsung Smart TV is very easy. So let me show you how to get the Netflix TV app on your Samsung TV. To get Netflix from the home screen, you'll need to launch apps. And to install the app, you'll need to be logged in with your Samsung account. Now, as you can see, Netflix is already recommended. But if you don't see it here, then you can just go to App Search and then type in Netflix. I'll just use the voice command. Netflix. Now close the keyboard by pressing the back button, select Netflix, and hit install. After it's installed, make sure to add it to home screen by closing the pop-up, then going to Add to Home and press OK. Now the Netflix icon will show up in the home screen. I'll just move it all the way to the front, and there you go. Now you can open Netflix right from your Samsung Smart TV's home screen. Or you can also press the dedicated Netflix button on your Samsung Smart TV remote. Now just sign in and start enjoying your favorite movies and TV shows on Netflix.